got no power, bro. Luckily, I brought a jumper. God damn it. Hey guys, excuse me. Would you happen to have a jump starter?
Got one in my car.
Pero mala pinga, compadre. Still nothing. It's supposed to press something? I'll have to wait till Alfonso gets here. That's the beauty of owning a boat, bro. The struggles. Man, I think she just got here. I can't get it to start. I borrowed a jump starter. Mine didn't work. Do you have anything to jump start the boat with?
Yes, bro, I have a Mako jump starter. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.